This video is going to show how to analyze circuit performance with performance analysis in PSpice Designer. Parametric sweeps and multidimensional parametric plots can help determine optimal component values with numerical analysis. However, fine-tuning the circuit may require a more visual approach. Performance analysis can be used to plot a parametric sweep and quickly verify and optimize circuit functionality over a range of values. Start by opening the provided design in PSpice Designer. To run performance analysis, we need to define a variable parameter. For that, let's place a parameter list. Select Place Component from the menu. The Component Explorer tab opens. From here, you can place components with predefined PSpice models as well as define components from UltraLibrarian, Symaxis, and other sources. Expand PSpice and select Simulator Command Setup. Select Param from the list. This is a parameter list object that can be used to define global parameters. Double-click to attach the list to your cursor. Click to place a list in the schematic, then right-click and select End Mode. To add parameters, double-click the list. The Property Editor tab opens. All properties for the selected object are defined in the Property Editor tab, as well as any global parameters for a parameter list object. Select New Property to add a new parameter. The Add New Property window opens. We'll assign the variable parameter to our load resistance for this example. Enter rval for the name and 15 for the value. Check Display On/Off to show the property in the parameter list object. Click OK. The Display Properties window opens. Here you can define which components of the property are displayed. For this example, select both if value exists to display the name and value if the value is defined. Click OK. Click Apply and close the Property Editor tab. With the global parameter defined, we need to assign it to the load resistor. Double-click the value of the resistor to change it. The Display Properties window opens. Enter bracket rval bracket for the value to assign the variable parameter as the resistance. Click OK. Now let's define the parametric sweep. A transient simulation is already defined for this circuit. To enable the parametric sweep, select PSpice Edit Simulation Profile from the menu. The Simulation Settings window opens. Here you can define the main simulation settings as well as any extra options, such as parametric sweeps. Select and check the option for parametric sweep under Options to activate the sweep. First, we need to define the variable parameter. Select Global Parameter for the sweep variable and enter rval for the parameter name. Set the sweep type to linear, the start value to 10, the end value to 20, and the increment to 1. This will run the transient simulation multiple times with different values of rval. Click OK to save the simulation settings and close the window. With the sweep defined, we are ready to run the simulation. Select PSpice Run from the menu. When the simulation finishes, the Available Sections window opens. This displays a list of runs for each value of rval. Select All to view all run results and click OK. All runs are plotted in the PSpice AD window. Each resistance value is shown in a different color. As resistance increases, the peak output voltage increases as well. This can be plotted to make it easier to see with performance analysis. To start performance analysis, select Trace Performance Analysis from the menu. The Performance Analysis window opens, showing the sections that are currently plotted. While sections can be defined manually here, the Performance Analysis wizard makes it easier to define exactly what to plot. Select Wizard to activate the wizard. The Performance Analysis wizard opens to the Intro section. Click Next. The first step is to define the measurement to plot. Select Max from the list to analyze the peak value of the trace. Click Next. Next, we need to define the trace to measure. Enter VVout into the name of trace to search field and click Next. A preview of the calculation is shown with the peak voltage highlighted and labeled. Click Finish to complete the wizard. A new plot is added to the canvas with a new trace. In this new plot, rval is plotted in the x-axis and max VVout is plotted in the y-axis. The trace shows what we saw in the earlier graph. The output voltage increases as load resistance increases. Quickly and easily plot a parametric sweep to analyze circuit performance, verify circuit functionality, and optimize your PCB designs with performance analysis in PSpice Designer. For more tutorials, Visit us at resources.ema-eva.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.